Dude, I've gotten a lot of different opportunities just because I have a YouTube channel, period. I'm just about to finish. Wanted to show you what it really look like. Everyone's in bed already. Popped a little bit of energy. You see what it does take. Whatever it is that you want to do, it is going to take sacrifice. It's going to, I don't even know how else to say it. It's going to take sacrifice. Whatever it is that you do, you are going to have to get out of your comfort zone. And if that means a few extra days, you have to stay up a little later than everyone else, then that's what it's going to take for you to build whatever it is that you're building. Anyway, I can't wait for this to finally launch. This is something I've been wanting to do for so long. It means literally the world to me. So I'm super excited to serve you. I hope that you get so much out of this, and I'll talk to you soon. Now I want to welcome you to my channel. We're going to talk about 5 mistakes you may be making. It's okay to repurpose your content. You can even upload the same video. You continue to lose sales because you don't have a personal brand. All right, it's go time. Creating content today, I just really was reminiscing how quick it comes to me and how I've been able to really focus on my craft. When I first started creating content, I would get better every single year, but nothing like this year. And I really have to give it up to YouTube and now editing for my husband's channel. My 1 year is coming up, and I want to share with you 5 lessons, or really 5 things I think you should really focus on if you're starting a new channel, because I pretty much had to learn this and pay for it. But I want to pretty much tell you what worked for me, what I'm really focusing on. The very first thing is having a script. Sometimes we just want to create a video because we think that it's the best thing ever. When you have a script, it's way simpler. I have a script template that I got from, I think it was Sunny. I had like my pen to paper, like writing down every single thing that she was saying was in her script. And I used to have a whole long intro. If you are new here, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, because in this channel I talk about tips for business, my absolute favorite tools that I have found that helped me in my business, as well as how to have confidence on camera and monetizing your Instagram. I've helped hundreds get confident on camera, grow their influence on Instagram, even though they have a small following. But according to a few of the pros, including like Think Media and vidIQ channel, they're like, don't do an intro. It doesn't really matter. I just go straight into the content because that's what people are here for. The second thing I would say that you focus on, it's the long game. So when I started YouTube, I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get 100,000 tomorrow. Like super unrealistic. But if you're in it just short-term gain, it's not gonna happen. You can get paid good amounts with YouTube channel, even with the small channel, I promise you, because dude, I've gotten a lot of different opportunities just because I have a YouTube channel, period. It gives you so much leverage. If you don't have that camera, don't go into debt, just wait. Continue creating, continue getting better in front of the camera, and then from there you'll be able to invest, because it is a long game. Number 3, investing in vidIQ. So vidIQ is a plugin, it's also an app, and it's a website. All of that really helps you plug in your title, look for better opportunities to make your title better. A lot of us, when we first start, we don't really know about copywriting. We know the very basics, aka Senya, you know the very basics. But vidIQ really helped me open my eyes to better ways of creating titles, descriptions. They have a whole AI feature on how to do your descriptions. They also have keywords. And you know, another thing I learned, which is not part of my list, but you don't have to focus so much on keywords. The fact that it literally takes me 9 seconds to pick the keywords. Number 4 is a show. I attempted to have a show this May. It didn't work out. It was literally my dream. I had a whole plan for it. I even had like a host that I was gonna host a show with. I need to have that come back. That's something that I really want to do. So I am looking for partners to partner up so we can make a show, make a podcast, something weekly. I might end up having it to do with my husband, but we haven't figured it out. Powerful, because not only do you stay accountable because you have to launch a weekly show, but you can have your audience really fall in love with you, know your personality. You can interview people. If you're not a pro at something, bring other pros onto your show. I want to implement again. Last but not least, something that I learned when it comes to my YouTube channel is thumbnails are the most important thing. I did watch another video that said that thumbnails are not as important because of the preview, but you still have to look at the thumbnail. Sometimes on suggested on the side, you have to take a look at which one should I pick. One thing that I did learn is you should try and make your YouTube thumbnail before even creating your script. That's literally the first thing that someone's gonna look at. Make the thumbnail first. And from that thumbnail, you can create your script, you can create your information if needed. You can adjust that thumbnail. My thumbnails were not popping at all, but from the time that I started to now, it's just about to be 1 year. I go to the pros, I look at their thumbnails, which one are the best performing, and I try to mimic them. One of my best, I would say, is the one of me holding money. And I got that from Ryan Pineda. I'm like, dude, these are so cool. I want to know why are you holding money? I went to David, said, let me use your cash. Went to go take pictures. I have a whole bunch like that. And if the time comes, like, I'll just be able to use those different photos of that money. If you're making a YouTube channel, let me know in the comments. I would love to support you. I'll see you in the next video.